Handling techniques for paw pad and nail trims.
Hi everybody, it's Jilly Mooch. I have Kiara here. She is a hard-coated Shih Tzu mix, and I'm going to show you just a little bit about prep work. So I have my Andis Raspberry Gold Vita. It's a 5-in-1 clipper. Has 5 blade settings. 9 is the longest. 10, 15, 30, and 40. 40 is the shortest, 9 is the longest. So I'm putting mine on a 40 because I'm going to do her paw pads. So just to show you a little hold technique, I have my table at hip level and I have my arm gently placed under her belly. I gently lift her leg and I put my fingers under the paw, and I'm going to easily and gently scoop. Now there's a lot of excess hair hanging over the back here, so I'm going to hold that down with my thumb, and if she wants to slide out, I'm just going to turn her gently. I use my elbow here on the front shoulder. So I'm going to trim off a little bit of that. Bring it right up to my thumb. This is my rough-in work. I will check her again after her bath to get those stray hairs that may have stuck out. I flip my clipper over and gently scoop out in between the pads. Next is nails. I have a Dremel here. This is a Diamond G Dremel bit with a diamond head on it, not sandpaper. This lasts way longer, is faster, and does a better job. I have it on the 15 setting, which is a nice low speed, but it's got 5 settings on it for speed. Now remember, this can heat up, just like if you get your nails done in a salon, so you don't want to keep a constant pressure. And I've pulled the hair out of her way so it doesn't get stuck in the Dremel. I've got her tail tucked underneath as well. Pull back that hair, and I'm just going to tap these nails. I got you. Nice and gentle. Rounding off. And you're gonna look for that little center circle in the nail, which is the quick, and you don't wanna go beyond that. The nails are incredibly long. You can clip them first. I have another video about clipping nails on a shelfie you could take a peek at. Trying to pull away a little bit, and I'm just using my body just to tell her, no, we're not done yet. Good girl. Keep your energy calm, and they will respond in kind. This one is lighted on the end. It's really super helpful. One foot. She's gonna sit, and that's fine. I'm not bending that leg back too far. Holding down that longer hair, edging it along my thumb. Flip my clipper over, get in between the V of the paw pad. In between and in front of those toes. Just gently edging the paws. Then to my Dremel, holding the hair back. This can tickle some of them. Kiara's used to it. You can sit. You just have to be here. Okay, I'm gonna ask her to stand. So since she wants to turn, I'm gonna put a front lead on. It's a shorter lead, so this will prevent her from turning only. Not too tight, just helps her from turning, helps her to understand I need her to be still. No need to rush, take your time. If she wants to sit, I can still get the job done. For front legs, I'm going to step back a little, still keeping my hip on the table, but I'm in the same position. The paws are a little pink. It may be from walking on hot pavement, so I'm being very gentle. They don't appear burned, they're just very pink. You can also flip your clipper over, and right at these two front nails here, you can just tap right in front of them to remove the hair. Good girl. Again, my elbow right on her shoulder, nice and gentle. I put this Dremel on a higher speed for bigger dogs with much thicker nails. So they usually just keep it on the 15. For little dogs. Rounding the edges, watching out for that little center circle. Good girl. No, thank you. Ugh, it died. I'll have to charge it. But always have a backup. This is my Andis. It also has a diamond Dremel head on it. No. Let's stay. Front foot. Front foot. Not all dogs like this, obviously, even those who are professionally groomed regularly. So it's just up to you to work with the dog. Don't rush it. Now she has a dew claw here, so I'm going to make sure that all of the hair is out of the way, pulled out of the way, and I'm going to use the center of my Dremel to do that dew claw. Good girl. It tickles? Does that tickle? Okay, good girl. Come on. So it's been a few months since she's been with me, so she's fallen backwards a little bit in her training. This used to not have been an issue whatsoever. All right, we got that one. And last paw. Now, for the outside paw, I put her body up against me. And I use this arm to hold the back hip. Kiara. She can sit, that might help her. No. So now I'm just going to take the clipper, the back end of it. Okay. I'm going to give her a minute. She came out of her front lead. That's enough. That's enough. I'm not pulling, I'm not holding. I'm just letting her know this is what needs to be done. And I'm not pulling back. I'm holding nice and loose. Good girl, good girl, good girl. Kind of like a 2-year-old asking for candy at the checkout line of the grocery store. If you give in, they know that they've won. So I have to be persistent with my request for her not to behave that way so that I can get what I need done. Like moms need to get the checkout line done. A little mat in there. Might be part of the problem. It's very uncomfortable. There. And then nails. No. Since she's a little sensitive for front nails, I'm going to try the clippers first. Maybe the vibrational sensation. I'm going to take off. They are pretty long. I'm going to let her smell. See what I'm up to. No. Kiara, that's enough. And the front lead off again. I guess I need a groomer's helper. One. I got one down. Yes, I did. Good girl, leave it. We just have to work our way through this. Another trick is to get them underneath. That's it. You have to stay calm. All right, we did it. We did it. Okay, so I won't be sanding those nails, but if you take your time and you're patient, you can get the job done. It's a lot of physical work though, not gonna lie.
Thanks for watching. Remember to hit that notification button.